I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.
Dr. Joe Vitale here with an urgent bulletin. Recent scientific studies have proven that one of the reasons you may not be attracting money now has nothing to do with what you're doing, has nothing to do with what you're thinking consciously, but has a lot to do with how your pineal gland is programmed. Now, the good news is there's a way to reprogram it. There's something new, and I have the special report right here. It's the Wealth Rhythm Code. The Wealth Rhythm Code is a sound frequency designed to target your pineal gland. And what it is doing is erasing the past programming and freeing you and even reprogramming you so you can now attract wealth. How this works is amazing because it only takes 7 minutes. There are generational curses, generational programming that has been activated in you. And a large part of what you're receiving and attracting and achieving has to do with not so much your conscious thinking or the law of attraction or any of the hocus pocus that is out there. It has to do with the scientific fact that your pineal gland has been programmed and you've inherited its limitations. So the good news is with the Wealth Rhythm Code, you can reprogram it. Let me read a couple things from the special report here. Most of the programs that are already out there only focus on feeling better. Feeling better is fantastic. Who doesn't want to feel better? But you want wealth. Don't you want to attract concrete results? Don't you want to pull into your life actual wealth that you can put in the bank, that you can count, that you can share, spend, invest, circulate? You want the real thing. So do I. That's why I'm so excited, because there's a body of work out there that says your genetics is programmed in such a way to cause you to get lack and limitation. It has nothing to do with you. It has to do with your ancestors, and you can't really blame them. They lived in a different time. They lived in a different place. They downloaded limitations, and they passed them on to you. They passed them on to you. So no wonder you've struggled. It has nothing to do with you. It has to do with how you've been programmed by generations past. What do you do about that? That's the good news. In the report I'm looking at, there's a book that's called The Body Keeps the Score. And in the book, the author says there's generational genetics. Generational genetics. That means you've inherited the genetics of other people, your relatives, your bloodline, going back to the beginning of time, more or less. And again, who cares if you can't do something about it? But the good news is you can do something about it. This recent discovery, it's the Wealth Rhythm Code. It's a breakthrough that activates your pineal gland so it generates wealth rhythm for you. There's studies that prove this. There's research that says this is happening. There are people that are making this work. And I'm going to tell you, there's also people upset about it. This has been funded by millionaires and billionaires, and they're getting upset because they didn't want this secret to get out. They wanted to hold it to their chest. I don't believe that's the way wealth should be shared. I think when we have wealth, when we have information, when we have gold, when we can make a difference, tell the world. Let's help each other. That's what I'm doing here. I want to help you. Now, we all know what struggle is like. And if you keep on doing what you've been doing, you probably got to keep on struggling like you've been struggling. Break free, break through, and break now. I encourage you to read every word here, and I encourage you just to jump ahead and invest. It's 7 minutes. 7 minutes to remove a generational curse so that you can experience the wealth and prosperity and abundance. It exists, but you haven't seen it because of the pineal gland and the programming that was there. Let's break free. I've broken free. I want you to break free. So please, in all sincerity, read every word here and then invest in yourself. This will make a difference in your life, your family's life, your community's life. And if there's causes you believe in on the planet, you can help them too, because you'll attract the wealth that you can redirect to where you think it will do the most good. But it all begins right now. Take a leap. Jump ahead Have faith, and as I like to say, expect miracles.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.